Alright. Now to get ourselves out of this noodle. If we're permanently stuck, we're gonna have to swim to the closest outpost and sell everything.
Oh no. We're fine. This is fine. But I'll get down and push.
Okay, it wants us to turn left, so we're gonna turn left.
Pushing doesn't work.
We're gonna hit this rock, and it's gonna be beautiful. Oh yeah, push us backwards. Get us out of here.
Ah, push it.
No, don't hit the fucking tree, god damn it.
Push it real good.
Good.
There's just a couple holes. It's nothing to be worried about.
Can we cut this tree down? It is impeding progress.
Oh my god.
We have to turn right. It may be a requirement.
Those other trees don't count. Alright, now back her up. Back
Beep,
her up.
beep, beep.
At least we're moving somewhere. What if
We're just going in a circle.
if we cannon against this rock? Will it give us momentum to go backwards?
Alright, we're turning left again. I
Let
don't
us
know what
float
it's going to
straight
be.
back.
I don't know how it's going to
Right
be
here.
different. I put
No,
the
wait,
sail up.
We're fine, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine, we're fine.
Oh, yeah. Put the sail down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah!
Just pop a blood vessel. Alright, now we
Easy.
need to turn completely left.
Easy. This game's easy.